Everyone's heard of blockchain, usually alongside crypto. But the technology itself is fascinating and useful far beyond coins. Let's explain it simply, with everyday examples and no talk of prices or investing. Start with the problem it solves. Two companies or two strangers need to share one record, but don't fully trust each other. Normally, you'd need a middleman, like a bank, to hold the truth. But what if that middleman is slow, costly, or makes a mistake? Blockchain offers another way. One quick note. This is about blockchain, the technology, and what it's used for. Not coins, prices, or investing. Just how it works, and where it genuinely helps. So, where did this idea come from? It appeared in 2008 with Bitcoin, an attempt to let people send digital money directly to one another without a bank in the middle. To make that safe, its creator invented the blockchain, a shared, tamper-proof record no single party controls. The coins grabbed the headlines, but the blockchain underneath was the real breakthrough, now used far beyond money. At its heart, a blockchain is a shared record, a ledger, copied across many computers at once. Picture a notebook that everyone in a group holds an identical copy of. When something's written, it appears in every copy, and no single person can secretly change it. But first, what exactly is a block? Think of it as a single page in that shared notebook. Each page holds a batch of records, a timestamp, and the fingerprint of the page before it. Fill one page, seal it, and start the next, page after page, forming the chain. Now the name. Records are bundled into blocks. Each new block carries a unique fingerprint of the block before it. That fingerprint is a short code calculated from everything inside the block, a kind of cryptographic signature. So if a single detail changes, the fingerprint changes completely. That's what links the blocks into a chain and makes the whole thing tamper-proof. Here's why. If someone tries to change an old record, that block's fingerprint changes, which breaks its link to the next block and the next. The chain no longer adds up, and everyone else's copy disagrees. So the cheat is instantly spotted and rejected, like a row of tamper-evident seals. Let's watch it. A new transaction arrives and is grouped into a block. The network of computers checks it's valid. Once they agree, the block is sealed, chained to the last one, and copied to everyone. Try to alter a block later, and the chain visibly breaks, and the network rejects it. This works because there's no central boss. The same record lives on many computers, and they agree on the truth together by consensus. Think of a panel of referees who must all agree on a call, rather than trusting one umpire who could be wrong or bribed. That unique fingerprint on each block comes from cryptography, the same maths behind the unforgeable signatures from our passwordless video. It's easy to check, but practically impossible to fake. One more powerful idea. Smart contracts. These are small programs that live on the blockchain and run automatically when conditions are met. An if, this, then, that agreement. Think of a vending machine. Put in the right coins, and out comes your snack, no cashier needed. Smart contracts do that for deals and processes. Not all blockchains are open to the world. A public blockchain, anyone can join. A private or permissioned one is shared only by known invited organizations, like a members club. Most businesses use the private kind, where they know exactly who's on the network. You'll also hear about tokens and NFTs. Simply put, a token is a digital certificate of ownership, and an NFT is a unique, uncopyable one, like a numbered original versus photocopies. Here, they're about proving ownership and authenticity, not something to invest in. So, where does all this help? Tracking products through a supply chain, property and land records, digital identity and tamper-proof certificates, health records, cross-border payments. Even proving a piece of art or a luxury bag is genuine. Take a real example, your food. As a product moves from farm to factory to truck to shop, each step is written onto the shared chain. So anyone can scan it and see its whole journey, proving it's genuine, fresh, and ethically sourced with no paperwork to forge. Another, certificates. A university diploma or a professional license recorded on a blockchain can't be faked, and an employer can verify it in seconds. No phone calls, no forged documents. But blockchain isn't magic, and it's not for everything. If one trusted organization can simply keep the record, an ordinary database is faster, cheaper, and simpler. Blockchain earns its place only when trust is shared and no one's in charge. Being honest about that is half the wisdom. So why care? Blockchain lets parties trust a shared record without a middleman, bringing transparency, tamper-proof history, and new ways for organizations to work together. A genuinely new tool, well beyond coins. In short, a blockchain is a shared, tamper-proof record spread across many computers, agreed by consensus, with smart contracts to automate deals. Not a cure-all, but powerful wherever shared trust matters.